Have you ever wondered what goes into the golden liquid we pour on salads or dip our bread in, olive oil? It's more than just a kitchen ingredient. From sunny Mediterranean groves to the bottle on your counter, there's a process behind how it's made. Let's take a look and see why olive oil is more special than you might think. Before we dive into how olive oil is made, let's take a quick look at its history. Olive trees have been grown for over 6,000 years, making them one of the oldest crops. The first signs of olive oil production come from ancient Mediterranean civilizations, where it was prized not just for cooking, but also for medicine and beauty. In ancient Greece, Rome, and Egypt, olive oil was a symbol of wealth and success. It was used in religious ceremonies, to crown kings, and even as money. The Romans improved the olive oil making process and spread it across the Mediterranean. Olive oil soon became a key part of the Mediterranean diet, helping people stay healthy and live longer. By the 19th century, during the Industrial Revolution, olive oil production started to change. New tools, like mechanical presses, allowed olive oil to be made in larger quantities, making it available to more people outside the Mediterranean. In the 20th century, methods like cold pressing and centrifugation were introduced to keep the oil's natural taste and nutrients. Today, olive oil is a common ingredient in kitchens around the world, valued for its health benefits and unique flavor. Olive oil starts with the olive tree, which grows best in warm, sunny areas. While most olive trees are found in the Mediterranean, they can also grow in places like California, Australia, and South America. Olive trees are tough, able to grow in rocky soil and survive droughts, and they can live for hundreds, even thousands of years. Olives are small fruits that grow on the tree's branches. They are the main ingredient in making olive oil, and the quality of the oil depends on the olives. Olive trees can produce hundreds of kilograms of olives during harvest, but when they are picked matters. Olives are harvested at different stages of ripeness, depending on the flavor and quality of the oil. Green olives, which are not fully ripe, have a more bitter and sharp taste, while ripe black olives are milder and fruitier. Some producers pick olives early for a stronger, more bitter oil, while others wait until the olives are fully ripe for a smoother, milder oil. Once the olives are ripe, they need to be harvested. Although machines are often used in large operations, hand picking is still the most common and gentle method, especially for high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Hand picking helps prevent the olives from being bruised or damaged, which can affect the oil's quality. After being carefully picked, the olives are quickly taken to the olive mill to keep their freshness and flavor intact. When the olives get to the mill, the first step is to wash and clean them. This removes any dirt, leaves, or twigs that might have stuck to the olives during harvest. After cleaning, the olives are crushed into a paste to break down the fruit and release the oil inside. The crushing process can be done with a traditional stone mill or modern mechanical crushers. Stone mills are slower and require more work, but are still used in some areas for making a smoother paste. Mechanical crushers, however, use advanced equipment to quickly break the olives into smaller pieces. After the olives are crushed, the paste is mixed to release more oil. This step, called malaxation, helps break down the pulp and release extra oil. It's important to control the temperature because too much heat can harm the oil's flavor and quality. To avoid this, most modern mills use a cold pressing method, which extracts the oil without heat. After the olive paste is mixed, the oil is separated from the solid bits and water using a process called centrifugation. This spinning quickly separates the oil from the water and remaining pulp, leaving pure golden olive oil with the fresh, fruity taste of the olives. Once the oil is extracted, it can be categorized based on how it was made. Cold-pressed olive oil is considered the best quality. In this process, the olives are crushed at temperatures below 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which helps keep their natural flavors, smell, and nutrients. Cold-pressed olive oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, making it the top choice for cooking. It is often labeled extra virgin to show it is the first cold press and has no defects. Refined olive oil, on the other hand, goes through extra processing. This can involve filtering to remove impurities and chemical treatments like bleaching or deodorizing to improve its look and make it last longer. While refined olive oil tends to taste smoother and last longer, it doesn't have the strong flavor or health benefits of cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. That's why extra virgin olive oil is often the best choice for salads, dressings, and finishing dishes. Once the olive oil is extracted, it's ready to be bottled. Olive oil can spoil and lose its flavor if exposed to light, air, or heat. To protect it, the oil is usually stored in dark glass bottles or tins to block out harmful UV rays. Some producers also use nitrogen to replace the air in the bottle, which helps prevent oxidation. For the best flavor and quality, olive oil should be kept in cool, dark places. High-quality oils are usually sealed with little air to keep them fresh until they reach your kitchen. Many premium olive oils are bottled in small amounts to avoid long-term storage, which can affect the oil's quality. Some olive oils are blends, mixing oils from different types of olives or regions to create a consistent flavor. These blends are usually made to appeal to more people. However, high-quality extra virgin olive oils are often single origin, meaning they come from one specific grove or region. This highlights the unique qualities of the land, climate, and olives used in making the oil. Olive oil isn't just tasty, it's also good for your health. Full of healthy fats, especially oleic acid, it can help improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol and reducing the risk of heart disease. The antioxidants in olive oil, like vitamin E and polyphenols, protect your body from damage caused by aging and certain diseases. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties, thanks to compounds like oleocanthal, which works like ibuprofen. This makes it a good choice for an anti-inflammatory diet. It also supports digestion, helps your body absorb vitamins, and may aid in weight management when used in moderation as part of a healthy diet. One of the most famous health benefits of olive oil is its role in the Mediterranean diet, which is linked to a lower risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Olive oil is a key part of this diet and helps people live longer, healthier lives. Olive oil is not just for salads and dressings, it's also great for cooking. Because it has a high smoke point, you can use it for sautéing, grilling, and even frying. Unlike other oils, olive oil keeps its flavor and nutrition even when heated. Olive oil adds a rich fruity flavor to many dishes from pasta to roasted vegetables. It's common in Mediterranean cooking, where it's drizzled over grilled fish, added to stews, or used to finish a dish. Its ability to turn simple ingredients into something special is why olive oil is such a popular cooking staple. Olive oil has become a popular ingredient in kitchens worldwide because of its health benefits and versatility. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, marinating meat, or drizzling it over fresh bread, olive oil adds a rich flavor to any dish. Making olive oil is a careful process, from picking the right olives to using cold pressing to keep the best flavor. Next time you pour that golden oil, remember the effort that went into making it. Whether you're using it for health or to add flavor, olive oil is more than just an ingredient. It's a symbol of quality and tradition. Now, do you prefer extra virgin olive oil or a more refined version? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth looks at how your favorite foods are made. See you next time.